Hi, welcome to topNotch Tutorials. In this session, we will learn how to convert binary to decimal. Let us consider one binary number, which is a representation of the number 51, which is decimal number. Now, how do we achieve this binary to decimal conversion? Let us focus on the process. First, consider the MSB. Then, multiply it by 2 and add the next bit to the multiplied number. As we can see, the initial MSB is taken and is multiplied by 2 and added by the next bit, which is 1. So the answer is 1. We multiply this 1 by 2 and we continue this process. Multiplying it by 2 gives us 2. Adding it by 1 will give us 3. Likewise, if we continue this process, the next number in the series would be 6. Multiplying it by 2 and adding 0 to it gives us 12. Multiplying 12 by 2, adding 1 to it gives us 25. And continuing this process up to the LSB, we get number 51. Now, let us consider another example of binary representation. The number is 0100110. I would insist viewers to pause the video and solve this problem by themselves. Okay, coming back to the problem, the complete solution is as shown. If your answer is 38, you have followed the algorithm right. Do practice this algorithm and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, topNotch Tutorials.